Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Omalicha Adibo. This is not the real Omalicha. Omalicha cannot be speaking English in her channel now. But I just want to try something different. Actually, maybe I can come as far as you. Omalicha have debates. I want to know if I can still speak English. Yeah, Mary. Omalicha. Let's try English, you get? Can you learn English? I just want to talk about the advantage of living in the village, you get? So, in the village life is just one of the most calmest and real life you can talk about. No much competition, nothing. Just live your life, wake up, eat, do your normal chores, and it's just calm. I think I have some advantage of living in the village. Number one is the peaceful environment. Villages are generally quiet and more peaceful than the cities, and they're less populated and less pollution. The second one is the natural surroundings. Villages are often surrounded by nature, offering these scenic views and fresh airs, opportunities for outdoors activities, the calmness, the neighbor love and all that. You're surrounded with natures. You can easily say, oh, I need pepper. You go to your farm, get some pepper, come back, cook. Everything is still more natural and just the natural vibe. You get what I'm saying? You can, after the daily activities, the hectic day, or like not even necessarily hectic. After the hectic days, you can sit down under the trees, receive natural fresh airs, and till night comes, off to bed, sleep, eat your natural food. I guess village life is more natural surrounded. Or Maisha, are you getting this English language? You're getting it now. Another one is the close-knit communities. Villages have this strong sense of community, which neighbors know and support each other. Yeah, very, very much. Like, you can easily wake up at night with problems or anything. So when you wake up, you have this, how will I even put it? You have this Okago what can be far? Okago the villagers, your neighbors and the villagers, the strong sense of community where neighbors support each other's is there. You get, is there. So Obrona here they too no, go back. So when things like this happen, let me assume someone is sick at night, you without even any doubt, you know that when you shout, neighbors will come out, definitely. On your the neighbors go back. When you shout, or when you're sick, or when you have any ill, like any bad thing or good thing, just a shout from you, your compound is filled with people, whether in bad terms or in good terms. But sometimes in cities, you hardly see something like this. You hardly see something like this because they know that everybody's busy. You don't even know them, they don't even know you, but that sense of community is there while living in the village. You get. So my third point is a bit the fourth point. The low cost of living. The low cost of living in village is amazing, even though you have the disadvantage, which is the money income isn't that much in the village, but the low cost of living is also an advantage of living in the village. The cost of living in a village is typically lower compared to the urban areas, and the lower housing costs, food price, and transportation expenses. In sometimes in village, it's also a form of exercise. You can just walk to where you are going to. It's a form of exercise. You can be in group of 3, group of 4. Before you know it, you've already covered a good kilometer. It's a form of exercise, and you've also lower your transportation expenses. Then another one is slower pace of life. Village life is often less hectic, allowing for more relaxed pace. Like, you have to be relaxed and reduce stress level. The amount of stress level isn't much. You can go to farm is just like your daily activities. You mustn't film hectares of land before you are able to satisfy yourself. Just a little farm that can take you your day-to-day life activity is okay. So you see, it's more relaxed pace and reduce stress level. That is the lower pace of life. Another point is the proximity to local cultures. You get a village often preserve traditional customs, their practice, the skills, offering a unique cultural experience. When you live in the village, you tend to have a unique, not unique, a hi, Waja. I see this English. English is not going to work for you, but I'll go. You're going to have this uniform, yes, this uniform cultural practice. When you do something, it is uniform. But in living in city, it's more like everybody facing their having a different culture and all that. But in the village, okay, in the sense, like let me say this New Year festival, it's going to be in uniformity, and living that life would be so amazing. You get so doing that culture, living that, as in, how will I even put it safe? I just said English, no. Doing that culture in uniformity, there's this uniqueness it brings. You get, so that is it. That is it for local cultures of it. Then opportunity for another one is opportunity for self-sufficiency. Villages may offer opportunities for growing your own food, collecting firewood, and other form of self-sufficiency. Yeah, you get. So when you live in the village, there is this even if you don't have the money, you can still live your day-to-day life. You get what I'm saying? Even if you don't have that abundance of money, you don't necessarily need to have that money to live your life in the village. You can have your farm, your animal farm, your crop farm, and all that. So you don't necessarily need to have that amount of money you require living in the city to live in the village. You get. So that the other one is the sense of belonging. You get sense of belonging in the sense that villagers can provide a strong sense of belongings and connections to the land, community, and heritage. Just like I've said it before, villagers can provide that there's this sense of belonging for everyone. No more discrimination and all that. No more level, class, and this classification. You get a hair. So no more class classification. So it's just like there's this uniqueness of everybody coming and bonding together. The dark skies is another point. Villages are often minimal light pollution, allowing for stunning views of night skies. Like minimum of light pollution, everywhere is just dark. It's giving that night vibes. When it is day, it gives it the day vibe, and when it is night, it also gives the night vibes. Man, I would like to have because HF like a subscriber. You haven't carbon in the serum. I found book on Malicha Adib. Man, Kenesiano.